Hello everybody, welcome back to the series on Indian mathematics, Ganita Ratna Kosha. In the last video, we saw last couple of videos, we've been dealing with sum of squares. And sum of squares have some very common applications. In the last video, we saw how to calculate Pythagoras theorem, the result of the calculation like square root of a square plus b square or square root of c square minus a square. Now, another very common application of sum of squares is variance. So, let us look at how we can do a variance by leveraging the combined operations methods by calculating place value by place value. So, let us say I am looking at a variance of n numbers. So, the variance formula is sigma of x, the number, minus mu, which is the mean, square divided by the total number of numbers n. Now, the same thing if we can expand, this is also same as sigma of x square divided by n minus the square of the mean, both are equivalent. So, we will use this formula for variance, which is the sum of the squares of the given numbers divided by the total number of numbers minus the square of the mean. Now, we have seen how to calculate the mean. So, we will first quickly calculate the mean and then do the sum of squares divided by n minus the square of the mean in one single go. Yeah. So, for example, if I am looking at numbers 41, 70, 53, 80, the mean is, I calculate first the tens digits, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 and 5, 16, 16 and 8, 24. Now, 24 is divided by 4, which gives me 6. Now, carry forward, then I have 1, 0, 3, that is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, the average is 61. So, just by looking at the numbers, I should be quickly able to calculate the mean. Now, I have to calculate the sum of the squares of the numbers divided by 4, which is 41 square plus 70 square plus 53 square plus 80 square by 4 minus 61 square. Now, I can calculate the left side individually using combined operations and then do with 61 square, subtract 61 square. But instead of doing that, I will try and do the entire thing in one go. So, let us go place value by place value. We know the place, there will be 3 places and after that there will be decimals. Anything after this will be decimals. So, let us calculate. The leftmost part is the sum of the squares of the first digits divided by 4 minus the square on 6. So, that is 16 plus 49 plus 25 plus 64 by 4 minus 36, which is the square on 6 there. So, now 16, 6, 15, 20, 24, 3, 7, 9, 6, 15. This is 154 by 4 minus 36. I can also write that as 154 by 4 is 3 and 34, 3 8s are and 38 remainder 2 minus 36. Now, this remainder 2 carries forward to the next step as 20 and then I can do 38 minus 36, that is 2. So, the leftmost part of the variance is 2. Then I calculate 2ab for all these and add it to 20, then divide that by 4. So, 20 plus 8 plus 0 plus 30 plus 0, all of this divided by 4 minus 12. This is what I have. So, this is 28, 58. So, this is 58 by 4 minus 12. So, I will work it out similarly. 58 by 4 is 14, remainder 2 minus 12. Again this remainder 2 will go here as 20 and then I have 14 minus 12, which is 2. So, the second part of the variance answer is 2. Now, for the third part, before I get to the decimal, I add 20 plus 1 the squares plus 0 plus 9 plus 0, all of this divided by 4 minus 1. I can put the decimal. So, after here will be the decimal point. So now this one, this is 21 plus 9, 30 by 4 minus 1. Now 30 by 4 is again 7, remainder 2 minus 1. So this 2 will go to post the decimal as 20, and then this is 7 minus 1, 6. Now 20 divided by 4 is 5. So hence the variance is, so the variance of the given numbers is 226.5. As you can notice, I am not calculating the whole sum of the squares, then divide by 4 and then calculate the mean square separately and subtract. I am just doing the entire operation in one go, just being careful that I evaluate place value by place value. It's a very easy, if once we practice a few times, this becomes very natural and you will be able to calculate very easily. Now I'll do one more example just to go through the process again. So if I have 69, 72 and 93, first calculate the average. Start with the tens digits, 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 9, 22. 22 by 3 is 7 times, and then I carried forward 20. So 2 carried forward, which comes as 20. Then 9 plus 2, 11 plus 3, 14. Yeah. So this is 34. 34 by 3 is 10. Let's do the mean again. So the mean is 6 plus 9, 13 plus 9, 22. So 7 times, and then remainder is 1. Then 9 plus 2, 11 plus 3, 14. So this becomes 10 and 14, 24 divided by 3 is 6. So the mean is 78. Now I am trying to calculate 69 square, that is 7 bar 1 square, plus 72 square, plus 93 square by 3 minus 78 square. Now like in the previous problem, I can then do the calculation place value by place value. So on the left I have 49 plus 49, 7 square plus 7 square plus 81 divided by 3 minus 49. This is the leftmost part. So this is 18 plus 1, 19, 9 plus 8, 179 by 3 minus 49. 179 by 3 is 50, 29, 59, remainder 2 minus 49. So this is 20, and then remainder goes as 20 to the next step. 59 minus 49 is 10. 10 and remainder goes to the next step as 20. Then I add 20 minus 14 plus 28 plus 54 divided by 3 minus 112. So this is 6, 34 and 54. This is 88 by 3 minus 112. 88 by 3 is 29, remainder 1 minus 112. So now 29, so remainder 1 goes here as 10, then 112 minus 29 is 383. So this is minus 83. So I write it as bar 83, and then 10. Now I calculate the last part, 10 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 by 3 minus 64. So this is 11, 15 plus 9, 24 by 3 minus 64. So that's 8 minus 64, that is bar 56. So the variance is now each part can only have one digit, so these digits will pass. So minus 8 will go to the right, so this minus 8 goes here, and this becomes 2. Then minus 5 comes here, bar 8, and then there is bar 6. which is nothing but 114. So 114 is the variance of the given numbers. So this is how we will be able to calculate the variance in a single go, instead of doing complex calculations of squaring every number and then dividing and then subtracting the square of the mean. So this is a very useful technique, and calculating variance is a very common problem. I've given some sums to try in the notes. Please do try them out, and you will also find the workings on the website. For any clarifications or suggestions, please do write to me.